Hello mga katabay, samahan niyo ako umiyak! Pero bago yan, samahan niyo muna ako mag-ready para pumunta sa block screening ng Tayo sa Wakas, ang bagong movie na kasama ako!
Yeah, I'm so excited to see the one scene that I did with the rest of the leading cast. First time ko there after a very, very long time. So very excited. Hi, very excited to see my name in the credits. Now finally, I'm using my name. Yay! Okay, let's go!
And finally, we arrive at Gateway Mall. Excited na yan siya! This is one of the sponsors of the block screening. And a quick hi to our managers sa aming management. Malamang. Pwede na pumasok, so let's go! And yung nakikita yung sexy lady na yan, wala pong liga, pero assistant director po namin yan. And dyan naupo sila Direk, Kathy, Emilio, and River. He's about to start, but before that, mag-introduce muna sila Direk Kathy and the rest of the cast.
Direk Kathy Garcia Sampana.
Hello, magandang gabi.
Donnie Pangilinan! Ladies and gentlemen!
Maraming salamat sa nandito ngayon. At napanood ko ito, grabe. Alam niyo ba yung nangyari? Ito yung ano.
Hindi.
Cut ko na to sa scene ko ah.
Tree metrics is 30% or lower. Talaga ba? Tama ba yung results niyo?
Consistent across multiple runs.
Siyempre, hindi ko napapakita lahat, kaya manood na lang kayo. At ito na nga ako, iyak ko ng iyak. And at the same time, kilig na kilig. Hindi kanila River tsaka Emilio ah. Kilig na kilig ako kasi yung name ko nandun sa screen. Oh, what a blessing to be part of this project. Talaga, grabe. Please do continue to watch Tayo sa Wakas. It's still showing. Anyways, thanks for watching. And eto si River, oh, pampataas ng views. Okay, thanks, bye!